Enlist which factor affect the road alignment of highway and also explain the survey carried out for the highway alignment. The various factors which control the road alignment are: first one is the availability of construction material. Availability of construction material near to the construction site will reduce the construction cost and the transportation cost. Second one is the obligatory point. Obligatory point basically connect the important point which is passing through the town, group, villages, religious places, social places and political advantages. Third one is the low grade easy curve. The alignment should be selected so that the longitudinal slope are not steeper than the rolling gradient. To achieve this alignment should be need a deviation from the straight line. Crossing the importance of the minimum number of cross drainage works are connected to the road alignment. To achieve this, the road should be aligned with the 90 degree of the crossing. Geological features: in this we can find out the soil conditions such as the bearing capacity, strength of the soil, types of the soil, availability of hilly areas, proper drainage. The alignment should be adjusted so that the minimum number of cross drainage works are required. For that, the proper drainage are provided in the road traffic. The alignment should be provided according to the types of vehicular traffic. In case of fast moving traffic, the road alignment should be straight as the possible. In this road, bullock cart are prohibited. Land acquisition: at the time of construction or the deciding the alignment, land acquisition is very easy. There is no problem in which occur. Economical factor: at the construction process, the total construction cost should be minimum. Before a highway alignment is finalized, the following engineering surveys to be carried out. First one is the map study. In this, from the side of the Survey of India, we can see that the 50 to 30 meter interval contour interval map we can download, and in this survey we will study the main feature like the river, hilly, various valleys. In this map, we will get the ideas for the construction process. Second one is the recognition survey. In this survey, we will examine the character of the area and collect information about the important features of the area. Which details are collected in the recognized survey are: the obstruction along the route like the valleys, ponds, lake, ridge, hills and the permanent structure, the approximate value of the gradient, length of the gradient and the radius of the alternative alignment, the number of type of cross drainage structure, maximum flood level, natural groundwater level, types of soil, sources of construction material and the location of the stone. Third one is the preliminary survey. In this survey, we have find out the alternative alignment after the proposing the recognized survey. Compare the different proposal are coming for the good alignment. Estimate the quantity of the earthwork and the construction aspect to work out the cost of the alternative proposal, and finalize the best alignment from the all consideration. Last one is the detailed survey. In this survey is carried out after the all three surveys. In this survey, we are the finally start our the construction work and the detailed survey. The objective of this survey is to the main purpose of the location survey is to transfer the center line on the ground exactly it has been finalized on the map. Final location survey is helpful to collecting the further informations for the detailed calculation of the quantities and they determine the total cost of the project.